Godrej, with their excellence and innovation of 127 years, successfully serving their Godrej family for a while now. A-grade certified project coming to your home in Bhandup. Presenting to you Godrej Nurture, situated on the LBS mark in Bhandup. In 1940, when the foundation members of Godrej family imagined to set up a whole industrial township with thousands of trees, today they have achieved that into reality in Vikhroli. And this is how you know that Godrej never misses to deliver their quality and standard in their projects. And this project is also situated in a prime location on the belt of LBS Road, and GMLR being just 5 minutes from here that connects you to Goregaon in no time. Eastern Expressway can also be connected in just 5 to 10 minutes, and railway stations like Mulund, Nahur and Bhandup are also at a distance of 5 to 10 minutes. Apart from this, hospitals and schools like Fortis and Apex and St. Xavier's and Powai School are also at a distance of 5 to 10 minutes. This project is also well connected to Powai and Vikhroli, which have corporate hubs like Hiranandani and Raheja Platinum at a near distance. So this is all about the project being in the middle of Bhandup and well connected to all the nearby locations. Now I shall give you more information about the project. So now in this project, what all you're getting, I'll be telling you. So this is a whole land parcel of around 6.5 acres in which you get commercial and residential. The residential properties covering around 5 acres of land. It is a low density project. With this, these are 3 towers in total, out of which 2 and 3 are already launched. G plus 40-story building where 1 to 7 levels you get for podium surface level parking, and on the 8th floor you get your podium level amenities. They also have ground level amenities. They have very mindfully divided the 2 levels of amenities and named them Green Groove and Giggle Groove for kids and adults separate. So in Green Groove you get kids play area, you get sand pit and climbing rock, you get amphitheater and a whole jogging track covering the whole residential. In podium level amenities, you are getting swimming pool, you get 3 levels of clubhouse, senior citizens area, party lawn, barbecue area, etc. So these are the amenities that you're getting, and this is our project in Godrej. Apart from that, we have 2 and 3 BHKs available. So now I shall be showing you the sample flat. So now you are moving into our 3 BHK sample flat with starting from your foyer area. And as you can see, here we have our biometric DigiLocker given to you by Godrej and fireproof doors. Moving in, the floor to ceiling height for this apartment is 9.5 feet, and as you can see, this is my huge and spacious living room. The whole carpet area of this apartment is 983 square feet and the living room is size 350 square feet. Now I shall show you the living area. As you can see, it is very beautifully decorated, and you can take inspiration and decorate your living room the same way. Place your wall unit and couch beautifully the same way. Right here next to it, we have our attached deck. In this carpet area, you're also getting your deck, as you can see, for your 2-seater evening table and even your plant tree to be placed very beautifully. Right next, we have our dining area. Separate from your living area, this can place almost more than 6-seater dining set very conveniently. Moving on, now I shall show you the kitchen. Right next to our dining set, we have our kitchen. You can also convert this dining space into an open kitchen space because they also have soft walls given to you, so you can make an open dining space for your family. Moving on, this is a double platform kitchen, as you can see, and you also get open utility area for your washing machine set and refrigerator space given to you apart from it. Now let's move on towards the first bedroom that we are going to show you. So according to your requirement, you can have it for your guests or your kids. This is entering into our kids bedroom. As you can see, very spacious enough for a double bed and wardrobe space, and also very well utilized, as you can see, for the study table and TV unit set. We have full length windows here. Right in front, we have our washroom number 1, or can be common washroom for your guests and family. Again, it has anti-skid tiling given to you, and with Vetrify tilings and premium fittings, you're getting the washroom the same way. Now we shall be moving through the passage. We are entering into our master bedroom number 1, which is again very luxury and premium looking. As you can see, very spacious. You have enough space for your side tables also, and with attached washroom. As you can see, again premium fittings and branded tilings given to you the same way. Now we are entering into the master bedroom number 2, which is ultra luxury and ultra spacious. In the whole apartment, this is the biggest room. As you can see, it has a lot of space. Your attached washroom, which is extra size and comes with premium fittings and branded tilings given to you the same way. So this is my 3 BHK sample flat for you, and the pricing here for 2 BHK is starting from 1.39 CR plus taxes, and 3 BHK here is starting from 2.50 CR plus taxes. For booking purpose and more information, please contact us today on the given details below. Until next time, thank you.